Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Nord CE2, and today I will show you how you can screen record on this device. So let's get started by pulling down our notification panel and locating the screen recorder, which for me is basically the last toggle right over here. So once you locate it, we can hold it, and this will quickly take us to the settings. So in here we have things like video resolution, bitrate, frame rate, and so on. So let's see what we have here, or what options we actually have accessible. So we can record at 1080p or 4K or even lower. When recording your screen, I would probably recommend to pick a more common resolution, like for instance this one, 1080 or 1920 by 1080. So when people will be viewing this recording, for instance, on a computer screen, for the most part, a lot of the people have 16 by 9 computer screens, so that will allow you to have your video recording fill up the entire screen without having not having any kind of like black bars. Obviously you can go also for the 4K, though keep in mind this will take significantly more storage space on your phone. Below that we have bitrate, and it is set to the highest one, which actually 24 megabits per second for 4K might be a little bit low. So to be perfectly honest, I would probably advise you to stay away from the 4K altogether. Then we have frame rate. 60 is good, it's the highest one here, and that is also what I'll recommend you to keep on for the smoothest recording experience, or not recording but like viewing experience later on when it's being played back. Then we have audio source, so we have internal audio, meaning the sound that the phone will make, but we can also record microphone audio, voice and surrounding, so basically just microphone without the sounds that the phone will be making. So you can pick either or basically no audio at all. I will stick with the internal audio. Then I have video orientation. I would keep that on auto. This will only trigger at the beginning, so when you start recording it will detect what the orientation device is right now, and that's how it will keep it. While you're recording and you flip your device to the other side or whatever, this will not change, so your video recording will not reflect that. It only reflects it at the beginning. When you start recording, it detects if the phone is, for instance, in landscape or portrait mode and records in that. But if you, for instance, flip it throughout to the other orientation, this will not flip the video to accommodate for it. Now, lastly, we have a couple toggles for widgets. We have some kind of show touch options and pause recording when screen is off. So obviously you can customize it if you want those toggle it on, if you don't, keep some of them off. And yeah, anyway, we can close this now, and let's start recording by tapping on the toggle and selecting allow and start now. And it is right now recording, which you can see right over here. I believe we can also pull down our notification, and we'll show you screen recording is running. So it's kind of weird. Let me see. Okay, now it's actually recording. So we do need to press on the button right there to actually start recording. So as you can see, it's showing me the touch gestures like it was selected, and whatever I'll do right now on the phone, it will be recorded by the device minus certain apps. So if you would want to screen record things like Netflix, don't bother, it won't work. And once you're done with it, you can interact with the overlay, click on the square, and then close this. And the video recording that I have captured can be found in our gallery application right over here. As you can see, we have the screen recorder, tap on it, and then here we'll find our recording. And I think it's already playing. Yep, it's playing. So there we go, that's the screen recording. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.